There's nothing out there that can be done. Right now we turn up the party, turn up.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. We are getting ready for our premiere of our short film. Today's our screening. We are... You gonna really do me that? Yes, sir. We're getting ready now, all of us here. Just missing one. Karabo's on her way. But yeah, and this is our like screening. Like we're proud of that. So we're going all out in it. We're going all out.
Now you're gonna get flagged.
So it's not like we're late, cause we are, and we're running. Well, they're not. They gave up. But we're literally 5 minutes late. And they don't play with being late. Me, you can't rush perfection. Yes, she is. But what are you doing? Isn't it here? Yes, it is. Yeah, it's supposed to be here. Yeah. Isn't it W612? Yeah. But it's locked.
Oh, maybe. I can hear people. No. Is that the one? Is there a...
He's in the locker, sir.
This is it. Oh, no. Is this definitely it? No. How do you know this is it?
Oh, we could come in through here.
Wait, no. Oh, wait. Are they listening in? Oh. Get in that way as well.
Hello, guys. Hi. Come in. We found it. It's a round of applause. See you in 15 minutes. Please be propped back. Thank you.
So we're halfway through. Can't see me. It's this way. We need to yeah, there we go.
Yeah. It doesn't need to be long, so that's fine. So
yeah, literally. It's been so good already.
Yeah, and then just say you think
we're basically last, so we have like 5 more before us. So we're just gonna plan what we're gonna do because we don't know what we're gonna do yet.
Most of the stuff.
Patience.
This is just my face. All you say is like someone's gonna introduce it and then it's just my face.
It's just my face. Hello. Hi, Karen.
I'm a terrible crowd woman. Can we give a big warm welcome to the music and composition students as well?
I'd like these students, I'd like you to stand up and just, before I even say what we did, and just take a big round of applause. So just the music and technology. In a very short amount of time. So they had from 10:30 till 5 o'clock, wasn't it? Mm-hmm. And so each group pitched their film, and each music and technology student wrote down what they the musical genres that they were interested in and where their kind of musical abilities were, whether it was very electronic music, sinister horror, all of these kind of ideas, and they mix-matched after an incredible pitch. So this is a really good example, and we hope that this will carry on and begin to develop, of what happens when music is composed for your film with the filmmaker, yeah, which is what happens in real life. So let's enjoy these pieces, celebrate the films, but also celebrate these wonderful collaborations, okay? Come and introduce your films in the second half. Thank you.
Okay, so we are Michelle, aka OG Productions.
Okay.
So our film is basically about a 15-year-old girl who is going through loss in many different ways. Don't want to say too much about that, but yes. So some you can empathize with, some you all have been through, some not so much.
Okay, our group name is Miss Show, and there are some elements when researching about Miss Show. I found that he really wanted to tell true real life stories, and we have told a story that has affected so many people. And we also looked at Robert Wine, who was the director for Dr. Caligari. So there are a lot of his type of dreamlike, supernatural, nightmarish is what we've gone with our acting.
So yeah, these are our composers.
Hello.
You wanna say it?
I'm Jordan. This is Tom. Jonah on the end. So you were saying that it was really nightmarish, and the premise of the story is really quite unsettling. We just wanted to enhance that. So we tried our best with, I mean, you're amazing at sound design. So that's kind of what drove us. It's the truth. It's a fact. But yeah, so we tried to enhance everything that you were putting across on screen. We tried to do it with sound. Yeah.
And they did an amazing job, by the way. Yeah. Such a good job. Basically ends it. Yeah, they loved it. I didn't. We're super proud of ourselves. I think we did she doesn't have feelings. I think we did an amazing job. Wouldn't you say so? So excited. We're so proud of ourselves as our first film. I think I'm gonna post it on its own, in its own video. So just put a little snippet in this one, and then the full thing I'll post it after. So imagine, we claim that we are freezing, but we just stopped for at least 10 minutes on our photo shoot. Like what you would do for the gram.
You gotta do what you gotta do. We did it on the shoot when we needed to film. So some of us carry a lot of sins. You don't know about that.
How you coming talking about yourself like that, babe?
I will talk about you.
Huh.